What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Today I'm inside a 2006 Acura CSX. Sounds so good. Gorgeous! Sport, bucket seats, black interior, 5-speed manual transmission, basically a Honda Civic Si. Sunroof, navigation, AC. What more do you want? So I have a really long history with Acura, and I just basically found this out. Let me go through my history. Back in the day, I had a 94 Acura Integra, 5-speed manual transmission, 1.8. It was terrible condition. I bought it for $500, and it took me to Sacramento and back every single day. And I'm really trying to decide whether I should get this Acura CSX or not. I really want to get it. I'm super excited. This is kind of a rare car. There's only one Acura CSX for sale in the entire state of California, and we have it at our dealership. This is a family dealership. Me, my mom, and my dad, we run the show, and it's just crazy to have an Acura CSX. I've never seen one before, and I don't know if I ever will see one in person again. So I really want to buy this car, but I'm torn. But let me just go through my history and tell you guys why I want to buy this car. And tell me, and I want to know if you guys think I should buy this car, because it's an expensive car, and I don't really have the cash. My girlfriend's gonna kill me. So I had a 94 Integra, one of my first ever cars. I had it for 4 years. It was a dump. I bought it for $500 with like 200,000 miles. When I finally sold it, which was recently, it had 260,000 miles. Never no big repairs, nothing big, just motor oil, transmission oil, tires, things like that. But it got me to Sacramento and back every single day for like years. And it was a great car. I sold it for $25. And man, it was right before my son was born. Crazy. I had no money in the bank, totally broke. My girl was pregnant, was not working. It was like one of our first months out together. We had no money, and I don't know where I sold this. I don't know where I sold the Acura. Hold on. So I sold my Acura, got some cash, put it in the bank, paid all my bills, and that Acura saved my life. So broke, so terrible, and I hope I never in that situation again. But that's what was going on. So then I bought an Acura TL after that car, and we had the TL for like 3 years, and it was a great TL. I bought it with 160, and the transmission went out at 200,000 miles. So another Acura with 200,000 miles, and that one went out, totally sucked. And I ended up fixing it. It cost me about $2,000 for the transmission, which blew. Replaced the transmission, fixed it, sold the car. Then a 2009 Acura TSX came up, and I bought the TSX. I bought that one for like $4,000, and I've had it for 3 going on 4 years now. Hold on, let me burn it. Am I gonna burn it? Let's go. Come on, baby, come on. Woo! See, that's one of the reasons I want to buy this car. It's just so fun, so awesome, but my girl's gonna kill me. And that's my story. I mean, I have a 2009 Acura TSX right now, and I do love it, but I don't know if I should stick with Acura. I bought a Toyota now, and I love my Toyota. I feel like it's really reliable, and I'm not sure what to do. I may never, ever see an Acura CSX again. You guys have to help me here. Should I buy this Acura CSX or not? I love Acura. I might be missing out. I might not. I don't know. Should I buy an Acura CSX? I need your help, guys. Let me know in the comments below. This test drive is now officially over, and it has 100% passed. I drove this thing slow, I drove it hard, and I'm in love. Like, it's not super fast, but it's a great car, and I think it'll be reliable. I know these run like 300,000 miles. If you compare this car to a Civic, which basically is a Civic, looks just like a Civic. Ooh, this car is so nice and so amazing. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, watch some of my other Acura videos. Woo, this one has officially passed. Thanks guys, have a good one.